Today we talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. Or your when the app, so you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, clicking this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above settings, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, you come here to auto close water pick in settings here, click here in this here. Then here can you select settings you want to add in this list on your windy app. So here can you select and can you add it here always on. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.